Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie Cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cook's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a super easy and delicious recipe for a one-pot Instant Pot Caribbean cook-up rice with tender chicken and beans. I'm telling you, this is a perfect dish to get all of the Caribbean flavors that I know you're going to love. What are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! Woohoo! But before we do that, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So let's cook. Let's get a quick marinade on these washed and dried chicken pieces. In with some olive oil. Seasoning I'm using today are those and some Walker's green seasoning. 2 teaspoons in. And a good splash of onion granules. It's about a teaspoon. And up with the garlic granules. About a teaspoon as well. Let's season with some salt and black pepper as well. Lid on, and in the fridge we go for half an hour. Let's prep some aromats. I'm going to start off with an onion. Now for some bell peppers. Well, it's 1 bell pepper I'm using, but I'm using half of the green one, as you can see, and half of the yellow one, the orange one. Using 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop these as well. Up next is a medium tomato. Time to set these aside and move on to the next step. Let's add some oil to our Instant Pot. Let's lock in some flavors on our chicken by browning them off. Once they're all browned off, I will be back up for the next stage. The flavors are nicely locked in. You can see how nice and golden these are. We're going to take them out and we're going to set them aside and move on to the next stage. In the same pan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. We're not getting rid of any of this on the bottom here. This is all flavors, and we're going in with the aromats we prepped earlier. So that's onion, bell pepper, and garlic. And we're going to saute that all off for 2 to 3 minutes. See you back in a couple of minutes. This is all looking nice and sauteed. We're going to go in with some spices. 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 level tablespoon ground allspice, half a teaspoon turmeric. Going in with some thyme and 2 small bay leaf, and we're going to stir that up. We want everything to mingle with each other to create a beautiful base for this one pot meal. So we're going to let those cook off for about 2 to 3 minutes. Can you smell that? It smells gorgeous and fragrant. Almost time to add some more ingredients. In with the chopped tomato, tablespoon soy sauce, tablespoon apple cider vinegar, tablespoon brown sugar. Going in with about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Okay. And I'm using this chicken broth, but you can use chicken stock. They've got some amazing ones that I use as well. Stock pots, but this one I'm using is broth today. Let's add the chicken pieces back into the pot. That's just the juices from the chicken. A quick stir before we add the rest of the ingredients. Right, we've got 2 cups of long grain rice, and I've washed that already. Up next, I'm using some black-eyed peas, but you could use red peas, kidney beans. We're going in with a tin of coconut milk. I'm probably going to use maybe 3/4 of this tin of coconut milk because I'm trying to make sure that we don't have too much liquid in the pan. Up next, for a bit of Caribbean heat and spice, Scotch bonnet. I'm going in with some spring onion. I'm just bruising them like this to get all the wonderful flavors out. In we go. Add a bit of black pepper. I'm going in with a bit of salt. Give this a good mix. Honestly, this is going to be so flavorful and all in one pot for you guys. Right, we're going to get the lid onto this and we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, this is what we're looking like at the moment. It's all done. Let's have a little taste. Look at that. Really good. Perfectly seasoned. Now let's plate up. Let's plate up. Before, just let's remove some of these aromats and our pepper, bay leaf. Let's plate up. Oh my goodness, look at this. Looking good. Look how that's falling away. Whoopsie daisy. Look at that. Right on the top of the chicken, going in with some coriander, some spring onion, and a piece of lime. And there you have it, guys. Your one-pot comfort is ready to enjoy. Perfectly tender chicken, fluffy rice, and all those amazing Caribbean flavors made in just 10 minutes in the Instant Pot. If you like this recipe and want to see more of Claudie Cook's comfort dishes, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy. Peace out. Before we go have our dinner, let's try this one-pot wonder for you. Look at that. Soft chicken. Look at that. Chicken is nice and tender. It's really flavorful. You know, really pop of Caribbean flavors is coming through on this. Absolutely scrumptious. Look at that. This is so flavorful, and I'd forgotten about this little sauce that I've made to go with it. Just going to grab some of that. If you want to know how I made that, drop me a comment and let me know. Oh my gosh, perfectly balanced flavor. Please put this on your list of recipe to do. Quick meal, 10 minutes in the Instant Pot. I will have to take another mouthful, but I will see you in the next video. Enjoy.
Claudie Cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food.